Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to start with the fourth chapter, that is production analysis. Okay, now let's see why production analysis is important. Since you all are learning business economics for a business, okay, when it is a business, it is very important to know कि हम लोग बिजनेस चलाएंगे तो कितना प्रोडक्शन करेंगे. अगर प्रोडक्शन ज़्यादा हो गया तो कॉस्ट कैसे डिसाइड करेंगे, प्राइस कैसे डिसाइड करेंगे. सो फॉर ऑल दिस, फॉर अ बिजनेस, प्रोडक्शन एनालिसिस प्लेज अ वेरी important role. Okay, so in this chapter we will see what are the different terms which are related to production analysis. Okay, now the first thing you all are going to learn is what is production function. Okay, production function मतलब क्या है वो पढ़ेंगे. उसके बाद लॉ ऑफ वेरिएबल प्रोपोर्शंस, लॉ ऑफ रिटर्न टू स्केल, economies and diseconomies of scale. So these are the things you will be learning in your chapter 4. Okay, so this is your last chapter. So for every sem you all are having only 4 chapters, so it's very easy to score marks. Okay, so you have to clear all your doubts and difficulties. If you have any doubts or difficulties, please let me know with the mail id which is provided. Okay, so here you all are going to learn 4 things, that is production function, law of variable proportion, law of return to scale, and economies and diseconomies of scale. Now, as I told you, for every business, production analysis plays a very important role, because the theory of production and theory of cost. Okay, because here from the production only you can determine your cost. So here production, theory of production and theory of cost are closely related to each other, because from production only we can determine cost. So here the theory of production studies the physical aspect of output. मतलब production theory क्या how the production theory will help you to know how much output you will be getting. Okay, whereas cost theory जो है will study or concentrate on the monetary aspect of the output. जो भी output होगा उसका मनी वैल्यू, ओके, मॉनेटरी एस्पेक्ट जो रहते हैं, दैट विल बी स्टडीड बाय हुम, कॉस्ट एनालिसिस. ओके, सो दैट इज कॉस्ट थियरी. सो हियर जब हम लोग प्रोडक्शन का डिसीजन लेते हैं, ओके, वी नॉट ओनली कीप इन माइंड द नंबर ऑफ गुड्स प्रोड्यूस, बट वी ऑल्सो टेक केयर अबाउट द कॉस्ट एंड द प्रोडक्शन. ओके, सो हियर व्हेन द प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीजेज, जब हमारा प्रोडक्शन बहुत बढ़ जाता है तो हमारा कॉस्ट क्या होता है, कम हो जाते हैं. ओके, सो वी हैव टू डिक्रीज आवर कॉस्ट. व्हेन द प्रोडक्शन इज़ वेरी लेस, ओके, हमारा जब प्रोडक्शन बहुत कम होता है तो हमारा क्या होता है, हियर what you call the cost is very high. Okay, so here when the production is more, cost is less. When the production is less, cost is more. Okay, I'll give you one example over here. Suppose onions. Okay, onions जब था, मतलब जब उसका season रहता है, then the price of the onion is very cheap. Okay, there what happens when the production is more. Okay, when the harvest time रहता है तो onions के price बहुत कम रहते हैं, because why, everywhere you will find onions. Okay, there are onion is in abundant, मतलब onion बहुत production होता है, तो here the prices are very less. But when the season ends, okay, जब store करने लगते हैं, that time what happens, slowly the production decreases and the price starts rising. Okay, so here it is opposite. Okay, so that's why it is known as the relation between the production and the cost is having a inverse relationship, मतलब opposite relationship. दोनों same line में नहीं चलते. When the production is high, cost is less. When the production is low, cost is high. Okay, so here ये जो है द प्रोडक्शन, इट इज़ डिपेंडिंग ऑन द अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स. ओके, सो हियर इकोनॉमीज. ओके, व्हेन द प्रोडक्शन इज मैक्सिमम दैट द कॉस्ट इज मिनिमम. इकोनॉमीज एंड द डिसइकोनॉमीज ऑफ स्केल इज ऑल्सो रिलेटेड टू बोथ प्रोडक्शन एंड कॉस्ट. ओके, सो हियर ड्यू टू अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ इकोनॉमीज ऑफ स्केल, द इंडस्ट्री और द फर्म increases its production. Okay, so it implies that the costs are falling due to this economy. economies. Okay, why every person what he does, or industry or a business, they will follow the economies of scale. Because of this economies of scale क्या होता है, प्रोडक्शन बढ़ जाता है. और जब प्रोडक्शन बढ़ जाता है, what happens, the slowly the cost starts falling. So here when the economies convert into diseconomies, the general tendency of the firm is to restrict the production on the account of rise in the cost. So let's see what is production function. Okay, now production function refers to the technical relationship between quantity of goods produced, that is your output, and factors of production, that is input, which is very necessary to produce. Okay, so in the other word, the technical relationship that describe the process where the factors of production are efficiently transferred into goods and services is called as production function. Okay, so your production function जो है, it is very important. Okay, so let's see in simple word what is production function. It is what? It is a real technical relationship. Okay, always remember it is a technical relationship. So here the term production function means a physical relationship between input used resulting in the output. Okay, so here it is a technical relation which connects the quantity of inputs, okay, whatever the quantity of inputs are there, okay, required to produce goods, and the quantity of output प्रोड्यूस. ओके, सो हियर इट इज़ व्हाट मैक्सिमम हम लोग कितना आउटपुट ले सकते हैं. ओके, when you want to produce something, the process of getting maximum output from the given quantity of input is called as production function. सपोज हम लोग शुगर केन एज अ इनपुट यूज़ कर रहे हैं. सो जब हम लोग शुगर केन प्रोसेस करते हैं, जब हमें शुगर मिलता है फ्रॉम द शुगर केन, दैट इज़ नोन एज आउटपुट. सो प्रोडक्शन फंक्शन मतलब क्या है, जो भी हम लोग शुगर केन डालेंगे उससे हमें मैक्सिमम शुगर मिलेगा, तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं, प्रोडक्शन फंक्शन. सो हियर the y meaning, x meaning what, it is the level of output. L मतलब labor, K मतलब capital, R मतलब raw material, S मतलब land. Okay, and Y is used as a income. So these are the key words for the when it comes to production analysis. Okay, production analysis जो है उसका जो formula है, it is X is equal to level of output, L is known as labor, K जो है is denoted as capital, raw material is denoted as R, land is denoted as S, and income is denoted as Y. Okay, so let's see the definition which are given by many economists. क्या definition दिया of production function according to Watson. Okay, the relationship between a firm physical production, that is your output, and the material factors of production, that is input, is referred to as production function. So here they say it is a relationship between the physical production and the material factors, okay, of production. According to Katz and Rosen, they say production function is a schedule that shows the highest level of output the firm can produce from a given combination if inputs technical choices are available. Okay, next is according to Kautsalianis. Okay, they say the production is purely a technical relation which connects factors input and output. Okay, and according to Ferguson, okay, they say production function is a schedule, that means it is a table or mathematical equation which showing the maximum amount of output that can be produced from any specified or set of input given the existing technology. Okay, so that is why according to Ferguson. So types of production function. Now these production functions are divided into two, that is short run production function and long term production functions. Okay, now what is short term production function? Now according to this short run production function, there are some things which are fixed, the factors which we call, they are fixed. Okay, so here in short run production will increase when more units of variable factors are used with the fixed factors. Okay, so here it will increase when more units of variable factors are used with a fixed factor. Okay, so fixed factors refers to those factors whose supply जो है, ओके, those factors whose supply cannot be changed during the short run. ओके, मतलब हम लोग जब प्रोड्यूस करते हैं तो उसका जो सप्लाई है इट कैनॉट बी चेंज. लैंड हम लोग चेंज कर सकते हैं. अगर हम लोग प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं तो हम लोग बता सकते हैं कि हमें जगह कम पड़ रही है तो हम लोग यहाँ से बढ़ाएंगे वहाँ से बढ़ाएंगे. नो, यू कैन नॉट. ओके, लैंड कैन नॉट बी चेंज्ड. और plant, factory building, electricity bill, that cannot be changed, they are fixed. Okay, next is long run production function. Okay, so here it is related to the time period where all factors of variable supply. Okay, in long term production function will increase when the factors are increased in the same time. Okay, जब हम लोग रॉ मटेरियल अगर है हमें प्रोडक्शन ज़्यादा चाहिए तो रॉ मटेरियल ज़्यादा करेंगे. ओके, वेज अगर लोग काम कर रहे हैं तो उनको वेजेस हम लोग कम पे करें, लेकिन हमें प्रोडक्शन बनाना है, व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल एम्प्लॉय मोर पीपल एंड वी विल पे मोर वेजेस. सो that can be increased, that is known as, that are the factors or variable that can be changed according to the supply. Okay, so according to the factors we can change the what you call factor we can change, that is known as long run production function. Okay, now we will see what is product. हमें बहुत पता है कि वी से ना कि बाटा का प्रोडक्ट बहुत अच्छा है, सैमसंग का प्रोडक्ट बहुत अच्छा है. सो योर प्रोडक्ट मीनिंग व्हाट? Product is a finished goods which a company offers for sale. Okay, anything that is offered for sale is known as product. Okay, product can be service also. Okay, it can be service or an item. Okay, it can be physical or virtual or in cyber form. Okay, so let's see the meaning. Product is a term is a item offered for sale. Okay, it can be a service or it can be an item. It can be in physical or in virtual or in cyber form. Okay, so every product is made at a cost and each is sold at a price. Okay, cost पे produce किया जाता है and when we sell it, it is selling at a price. Okay, so here price that can be changed charge depend on the market. Okay, the quality, marketing and the segment that is targeted. ओके, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट प्राइस कैन बी प्राइस जो है वो डिसाइड होता है. सो विच मार्केट इट इज़ गोइंग, वेदर इट इज़ गोइंग फॉर इंटरनेशनल मार्केट, वेदर इट इज़ गोइंग आउटसाइड इंडिया, वेदर इट इज़ इन लोकल मार्केट. सो डिपेंडिंग ऑन दैट क्वालिटी, अच्छी क्वालिटी है तो हाई प्राइस, इफ़ इट इज़ ऑफ लो क्वालिटी इट विल बी हैविंग लेस प्राइस. सो डिपेंडिंग ऑन द प्राइस, द प्राइस विल बी डिटरमाइंड डिपेंडिंग ऑन द क्वालिटी, मार्केट, people. Okay, depending on that it will be charged. So each product has useful life after that which it is need to be replaced. Okay, so and a life cycle after which it has been reinvented. In FMCG parlance, a brand can be revamped, relaunched or extended to make it more relevant to the segment and times, so often keeping the product almost the same. Okay, so concept of product. Now there are three concepts which are regarding physical production, that is total product, average product and marginal product. Okay, so there are three types of product. So let's see what is total product. Now this total product is also known as TPP. Okay, so here it is defined as the total quantity of output produced by the firm in the given output. जो input given input, कितना input डाला है उससे कितना output मिला, that is known as total product. Okay, so that is also known as TPP. Okay, so your total product identifies the specific output which is possible using variable levels of counts. Okay, and understanding of total output is essential to a short run analysis of the firm's production. Okay, So here changes in the total product are taken into account closely when there are changes in the variable cost of production. Okay, so here changes in the total product are taken into account closely. Okay, जो changes है they are taken into when there is change in the variable labor जब change होता है then the production cost is also taken into consideration. Next is marginal product. Now the net change in total production by using an additional unit of labor is known as marginal product of labor. Okay, now marginal product जो है is similar to average product but it is looked at another perspective. So discrete marginal product is defined as the change in the total product that comes as a result of one unit increases in the variable input capital level of the firm. So continuous marginal product जो है it is calculated as a derivative of total product with respect to the variables input employed. Okay, so this can be represented as they have given one formula. This formula is DTP. Okay, DTTP in bracket divided by dy is equal to marginal product. So where TP जो है it is what total product, MP जो है it is what marginal product, and VI is what variable inputs. Okay, so depending on that you can find the marginal product. Next is your average product. Okay, now what is average product? Average product जो है is defined as the product produced by every worker. When we divide total product by output we get average product. Okay, जब हम लोग हमारा जो average product जो है total product जो है जब average product से divide करते हैं we get the amount the product that is produced by the worker. Okay, so with this diagram you can see. Okay, here they have given what? Here they have given on your x-axis we have your labor, that is marginal product. On the y-axis we have average and marginal product and total product. जब हम लोग हमारा just a minute, what happened to the screen? हाँ, जब हमारा जो टोटल प्रोडक्ट है ओके फ्रॉम ओ टू दिस ए ओके हमारा जो टोटल प्रोडक्ट हम लोग डिवाइड करते हैं ओके वी कम टू नो अबाउट एवरेज एंड मार्जिनल प्रोडक्ट. इट इज़ व्हाट? इट इज़ डिफाइंड एज द प्रोडक्ट दैट इज़ प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय एवरी वर्कर. कितना वर्कर प्रोड्यूस कर सकता है वी कैन फाइंड इट विद दिस टोटल प्रोडक्ट डिवाइडेड बाय एवरेज product. Okay, so here with this diagram you can see. Okay, next we will see about law of variable proportion. Okay, now what is law of variable proportion? अब जब हम लोग sugar cane डालते हैं, suppose we put around it is not correct, even I don't know about the production, how the production goes. Example, if we put around 40,000 sugar cane, okay, and we expect that we will get around 50 kgs of sugar. Okay, ऐसा मेरा मानना है. It is not correct. Okay, even I don't know how the so for example I'm taking, if I put 40,000 sugar cane and I expect that I will get around 50 kgs of sugar. Okay, so here जब हम लोग extra variables add करते हैं तो we think that we will get more quantities of sugar. So here in a short period when the output of the good is sought to be increased by way of addition applications of variable factors. Okay, जब हम लोग additions add करते हैं applications of variable factors, the law of variable proportions comes into operation. Okay, so here short periods refers to the period of time during which it is possible to increase the number of factors of production. Okay, that is known as variable product factors, but the number of other factors, that is fixed factors, cannot be increased or decreased. Okay, जब हम लोग हमारे शॉर्ट रन में अगर सब हम लोग एडिशनल एप्लीकेशंस डाल के, जैसे कि हम लोग वर्कर्स बढ़ाएंगे या रॉ मटेरियल बढ़ाएंगे, दीज आर एडिशनल फैक्टर्स। बट हमारे जो फिक्स फैक्टर्स है जैसे कि प्लांट एंड मशीनरी, लैंड और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल या व्हाट यू कॉल्ड योर बिल्डिंग, ओके, दैट यू कैन नॉट increase, okay, that remains the same, okay. So here in the short run when we do additions, okay, additional applications of variable factors, okay, so that will help to increase the output. So when number of one factor is increased while the other factors remain constant, then the proportion between the factors is altered, okay. Supposing there are two factors of production, for example land and labor. So land is a fixed factor, लैंड जो है वो फिक्स है, वेर एज लेबर इज अ वेरिएबल फैक्टर्स, ओके, बिकॉज यू कैन चेंज, you can increase or decrease the labor. Suppose you have land measuring 2 hectares, so you grow tomatoes on it with the help of labor. So according to the proportion between labor and land, it is 1:2. So that is from one this thing proportion of land you can double your tomatoes. So if the number of labor is increased by 2, then the new proportion will be what? 2:2. In the other words, if there are 2 hectares of land per labor previously, now there will be 1 hectare of land per labor, okay. So here when you change the factor of production, it will increase your output, okay. So that is known as law of variable proportion. So law states that the proportion of the factor is changed, the total production at first increases more than proportionately, then equation proportionately, and finally less than proportionately. So 3 things you can do with the law of variable, okay, variable proportion. So let's see what is the definition given by many economists, okay. They have given some definition. First one is Leftwich, okay. Leftwich says what? The law of variable proportion states that if the input of one resources is increased by the equal increment per unit of time while the input of other resources is held constant, टोटल आउटपुट विल इंक्रीज, ओके. जैसे मैंने बोला लैंड एंड लेबर, लैंड इज फिक्स्ड एंड लेबर यू कैन इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज. सो इफ यू इंक्रीज वन रिसोर्स, ओके, एंड if you keep one resource constant, okay, it will increase your output. So but beyond some point the resulting of output increases will become smaller and smaller. According to Samuelson, they say the law states that increase in some input relative to the other fixed input will, in the given state of technology, cause total output to increase, but after a point an extra output resulting from the same additions to the extra input is likely to become less and less, okay. According to George Stigler, okay, they say what? An equation equal increment of input of one input and are added, the input of other productive services are being held constant, okay. So beyond a certain point the resulting increment of the product will decrease, the marginal product diminish, okay. According to F. Behnman, okay, they say and proportion of one factor is a combination of factor is increasing after a point of first marginal and then average product of the factor will diminish, okay. So these are the definitions given. So let's see what are the assumptions of law of variable proportion. So there are some assumptions. One assumption is one of the factor is variable and other factor is fixed. मतलब एक factor जो है वो variable, मतलब you can change it. For example labor, okay, you can change it, but other factor remains fixed, that is your land, okay. तो यहाँ पे दो होते हैं, variable factor and fixed factor. Next is all units of the variable factors are homogeneous, okay, they are homogeneous. जो variable factors है they will be homogeneous. Third one is there is no change in technique of production. जो technique of production है it will remain the same. Fourth one is factors of production can be used in different proportion, that is 2 hectares of land with 1 labor or 2 hectares of land with 4 laborers. Okay, so ऐसे भी हम लोग we can use the proportion. Next is explanation of law. So they have explained the law, okay, how you can produce the what you call goods. Okay, so here law of variable proportion can be explained with the table. Okay, they have given one table, so let's see the table. It is about the first example given, that is of tomatoes and the land. Okay, so this is the table, stages of production. So here they have given stages, units of land, okay, units of labor, total production, marginal product and average product. Okay, so here first is when the unit of land is 1, when the unit of labor is 1, total product is 2, marginal product is 2, average product is 2. Okay, when the unit of land is 1 and the unit of labor is 2, okay, total product will be 5. Okay, marginal product extra unit kitna hai 3. Okay, average product is how much 2.5. Okay, next is unit of land is 1, unit of labor is 3, but total production is how much 9. Okay, additional unit kitne hain 4. You can so that is your marginal product is how much 4, average product is 3. when the end of first stage, okay, beginning of the second stage. Okay, when you end the first stage, there will be beginning of the second stage, that is unit of land is 1. Okay, here जो हमारा लेबर जो है, ओके, इट विल बी 4, टोटल प्रोडक्ट विल बी 12. okay, and marginal product will be 3 and average product will be 3. okay, जैसे जैसे हम लोग बढ़ाते हैं वैसे वैसे योर एवरेज प्रोडक्ट अगेन स्टार्ट्स फॉलिंग. ओके, ये हो गया फर्स्ट स्टेज वेयर यू विल गेट अ गुड नंबर ऑफ एवरेज प्रोडक्ट. okay, but unit of land is 1 and your labor unit is 5. okay, जब हमारा labor unit जो 5 है, total product will be 14, marginal कितना होता है 2 होता है, and average product is how much 2.8. you can see here it has increased from 2 to 3, but again it started decreasing from 3, it had come to 2.8. okay, when the unit of land is 1, unit of labor is 6, total production is 15, marginal product is how much 1. okay, average product is 2.5, it started decreasing. okay, when the unit of labor is 1, okay, unit of land is 1, unit of labor is 7, total product is 15, marginal product is 0. okay, and the average product is 2.1. this is what your second stage. okay, जब second stage खत्म होता है you get marginal product in negative form. okay, so end of second stage, beginning of third stage. so they have divided it into stages of production into 3. here unit of land is 1, unit of labor is 8, total production is 15, your marginal product becomes -1, average product becomes 1.75. okay, from this you can see. so here as and when you increase your factor, variable factor जब हम लोग increase करते हैं, what happen, your average product जो है it starts falling. okay, so as the stage increases, your marginal product और हमारा जो average product है it will start falling. okay, so here you can see quantity of product, okay, number of laborers, okay, and product. so as the number of laborers increases, okay, हमारा क्या होता है, it starts falling down. okay, it will increase to one level. okay, first level जो है you can see your first level जो है it will start increasing nicely. सेकेंड स्टेज पे स्लोली इंक्रीज होगा, थर्ड स्टेज पे इट स्टार्ट्स फॉलिंग डाउन. ओके, सो टोटल प्रोडक्ट स्टार्ट्स फॉलिंग. सो इन द सेम वे योर एवरेज प्रोडक्ट भी देखो, सो व्हेन इट स्टार्ट्स इंक्रीजिंग इट विल स्टार्ट फॉलिंग, इट विल कम टू जीरो ऑल्सो. इवन मार्जिनल प्रोडक्ट जो है इट विल कम टू नेगेटिव. ओके, यहाँ पे ये जीरो पे ही रहेगा, जीरो के ऊपर, दैट इज एवरेज प्रोडक्ट, बट मार्जिनल प्रोडक्ट विल स्टार्ट falling. okay, so from this diagram you can see that as and when it will start this thing, what you call at when you start increasing your what you call labors, it will start falling. Okay, your total product will increase to one level, and then it will start decreasing. Even your marginal product will go to minus. Okay, and your average product will be also increase to one level, and then it will start dropping down. Okay, so here in this class we have studied what is production function, what are the meaning, definition, types of production functions. Okay, that are two, that is short run production function, long term production function. Then we have seen what is the concept of product, we have seen meaning, total product, marginal product, and average product. Law of variable proportion we have seen definitions, assumptions, and explanation of the law of the explanation of the law, that is law of variable proportion. In the next class we will see stages of production.